So a couple weeks ago, or maybe a month ago, I made a video about the best credit unions, and one credit union that is very popular that I didn't talk much about in that video is the Navy Federal Credit Union. And I realized that this credit union has a lot of members and a lot of people seem to think it's the best credit union. So today I want to talk about the Navy Federal Credit Union, the benefits, the features, the pros and the cons, so we can understand if it is indeed the best credit union out there right now. Now, somewhere close to the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving a link on the screen to that video about the best credit unions. So if you haven't already seen that video, be sure to look out for that link at the end of this video. Now, if you're new here and this is the first time that you're seeing me, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk a lot about ways to make money, save money, invest money, and anything that has to do with personal finance. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel. And when you subscribe, be sure to turn on the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates on when I post new videos here. And I post a new video here every single day on YouTube. And I'm probably one of the very few finance YouTubers that do this. So if you want to see content like this every day, be sure to turn on all notifications for this channel. Now, I want you guys to also comment down below and let me know if you think that the Navy Federal Credit Union is the best credit union available today. And if you do think so, tell me the reasons why. And if you don't think it's the best credit union, still comment and tell me why. Now, previously on this channel, we talked about the differences between a credit union and a bank, but just in case you weren't around then or you didn't get to watch that video, I'm going to explain it once again before we talk about the features of the Navy Federal Credit Union, and this way everything will make more sense to you. Now, the main points from that video were that credit unions will offer you better service or try to offer you better service when it comes on to customer support, and they won't try to push products on you just because they will make any money from them. They also give you better interest rates on their accounts and also their loans, whether it be auto loans or personal loans or even mortgages. Now, the interest rates should be better than that of most traditional banks like your Chase or your Bank of America. Credit unions are also not-for-profit, and so you'll always have to pay less fees when compared to traditional banks. Banks, on the other hand, will have more services to offer to you. Their accounts will yield less interest and their loans may cost you more, but they give you better credit cards and also newer, smarter tech and security. And finally, banks are in the business of making money, and that's all they really care about. Now, let's talk about the Navy Federal Credit Union. This credit union offers everything that any major bank such as Chase or Wells Fargo offers, but without the fees. They also have nationwide locations with branches around most DoD facilities. So the downside with the Navy Federal Credit Union is that it's for members of the armed forces and family. So regular people won't be eligible to apply for anything from this credit union. Navy Federal offers free checking, loans, and even student loan refinancing. Here are some of the pros of the Navy Federal Credit Union. You'll get competitive interest rates on CDs, and they have 5 CD options available through the Navy Federal Credit Union. Many of them offer better rates than found at most traditional banks, and they also offer savings and checking accounts that come with no fees. If you become a member, you'll have access to over 30,000 fee-free ATMs across the country. The banking products that they offer includes checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, CDs, and credit cards. The checking accounts at the Navy Federal Credit Union all offer interest, which is good, and they have a few of these checking accounts. Now, the first one is the free active duty checking account. This checking account is designed for both active duty military and retired military. There is no monthly fee with a qualifying military direct deposit, which is good, and there's also no minimum balance requirement on this account. Now, with this checking account, you'll get free personalized checks and up to $240 in out-of-network ATM fee reimbursements annually, and a lot of regular bank accounts don't do this, so you can use all the fee-free ATMs that Navy Federal has, and in the event you need to use an ATM and one of those fee-less ATMs aren't around, then you'll get reimbursed for that fee. Now, the next checking account that they offer is the free Easy Checking. This is a simple checking account with no minimum balance requirement and no monthly fee with a qualifying military direct deposit. It comes with up to $120 in out-of-network ATM fee reimbursements annually. The only difference from the previous account is the amount of ATM charges that they'll reverse. Another checking account that they offer is the free campus checking account. This one was created for members aged 14 to 24, and this checking account features no monthly fee and no minimum balance, and the account also comes with up to $120 in out-of-network ATM fee reimbursements annually. Now, another checking account that they offer, and they offer quite a few, is the free everyday checking account, and this one also has no monthly fee or minimum balance requirement, but that's about it. The account offers nothing else. Now, finally, they have the best checking account, or their best checking account, which is the Flagship Checking account, and this is Navy Federal's premier checking account. The Flagship Checking account has a monthly fee of $10, which can be waived by keeping an average daily balance of more than $1,500 in the account each month. Now, with this account, you can get up to $120 in out-of-network ATM fee reimbursements with direct deposit. So the accounts are mainly free, which is good, and they do pay interest. However, the interest isn't the best on the market, but it's still better than what you would get at a traditional bank, such as Chase or Wells Fargo. And by the way, guys, the interest rate as of right now is around 0.05% APY, unless you get the Flagship Checking account, and then you'll need to have over $25,000 in the account to get the most interest which they offer, which is only 0.45% APY. SOFI Money currently offers 0.4% with no balance requirements, just to make a comparison here. As for the savings account, you are required to open the Navy Federal Membership Share Savings account if you want to join Navy Federal. It's a basic savings account that earns you 0.25% APY. This account only requires an initial deposit of $5 to open. Again, 0.25% APY is better than what traditional banks or traditional savings accounts will offer you. But if you compare it with, let's say, Discover, they have a savings account which yields 0.7% APY. So it isn't the best on the market, but it's still better than what you would get at a traditional bank. Let's move on now to the money market accounts being offered here. They have two main money market accounts available through Navy Federal Credit Union. They have the money market savings account, and then they have the jumbo money market savings account. The highest possible APY here on the jumbo money market account is around 0.8% APY, and that's if you deposit over $250,000. If you deposit, let's say, $25,000, then you're only going to be getting 0.4%. And again, it's better than the traditional bank, but an online savings account will give you more returns without the deposit restrictions. Now, the CDs that they offer are both good and bad. The good is with one of them, you can get almost 4% APY, and you only need $50 to start. But the downside of that CD is the maximum you can put in there is only $3,000. Again, this is still good, but if that's the limit, I would prefer to put that $3,000 in the T-Mobile Money account and earn 4% on the $3,000 and then 1% on the balance afterwards. The other CD options that allow you to put more money in them earn less than savings accounts, so I wouldn't really use any of them. Also, Navy Federal offers a secured credit card, they offer cash rewards credit cards, and other credit cards. Now, after looking at all the features and products that the Navy Federal Credit Union has to offer, here's what I think. I think they are good, and if you can get the accounts, you should, because most of them are free, especially the checking and the savings account, and you get ATM fees reversed, which is a very big deal, and not many banks do that. However, when it comes on to saving money or opening a CD, I wouldn't use them because although the rates are very good when compared to Chase, Bank of America, or some other traditional banks, they fall short of other accounts that I've reviewed here. Why put $50,000 in a CD that only gets you 0.4% APY when you could put that money in a savings account elsewhere that gets you 0.8% APY without the restrictions? So the checking and the savings account part of this credit union is very good, and I'll recommend it. But as for the money market accounts and the CDs, then I wouldn't use the Navy Federal Credit Union. I hope you like the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you'll be able to see new videos that I post, and I post videos here every single day on YouTube. Now, if you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have, and be sure to also drop a like on this video, as it really helps to get this video to more viewers, and I'll really appreciate it. And also remember, guys, I'm searching for more ideas for videos, so if there are any topics that you'd like me to talk about, comment them down below. Also guys, I'm going to be leaving a couple links down below in the description to free stuff and free cashback offers. So be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff, which will include SOFI money, where you can get 0.4%. It's a free account and you get $50 just for signing up using the link down below. Now, if you're a new subscriber or viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and ways to make money. Also guys, I'm leaving another link to WEBULL, which is a free and easy to use investment app and platform. And if you sign up using the link down below, in this month you'll get 3 free stocks that can be valid at over $1,600 after you deposit just $100 in your investment account. Now these free stocks, you keep them if you like them, you sell them and you keep the cash, or you purchase other stocks. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching. All the best with your banking, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.